Hello, my name is Peter. I like drawing pictures. Here today I will be drawing a picture. I recorded this previously. It took some number of hours, but I edited it down quite a bit, probably between 6, 10, 15-ish hours for this whole drawing. Bristol paper, Rotring Isograph .25 pen. I really get bogged down with the details sometimes, but one time I read about this. I don't know if it was a true story, but it was like a story about this monk guy, right? Monks do art stuff, do they? Anyways, he started out art using painting with a broom, right? Just on a big piece of paper or walls or something. I don't know, maybe he just went around buckets of paint and a broom and practiced. Anyways, I guess the theory was that if you can get down the flow of your art with the broad strokes of a broom, right, then you can start getting down into the nitty-gritty of the details. And I think I like that. I mean, I certainly didn't always draw tiny little details. And I mean, I love it. I remember years and years where I would just sit there and draw little details. Enya. I'll admit, I used to listen to a lot of Enya, and I thought that was like my secret to draw, sitting for long periods of time drawing details. But I just like drawing details. Now I can listen to anything really, and still draw. Anyways, what I'm saying is, I did used to draw. I'm trying to say like three things at once. I still do like getting out just a Sharpie sometimes and scribbling, scratching, not getting too caught up in careful little, pen strokes. My pen strokes are not too calculated, not as much as some people's, but it still feels good to just let loose and scribble and scratch away with a big Sharpie, or get a big, paintbrush out and dip it in some just ink and just slosh away at the paper with it. You get the art. Sometimes you feel a certain flow, especially when you're doodling, or when I'm doodling, I feel the flow in my brain of something, of how the art should look or feel. But when you get too bogged down in the details, you lose that flow, or by the time you're done doing the details on one piece, your brain has moved on to something else, so you end up squishing a bunch of different ideas onto the paper all at once, instead of getting one, coherent idea on the paper. And I don't even know what these ideas are supposed to be. I don't know, they're just feelings or impulses of art on the paper. It doesn't really matter. You look at them, and then later, some amount of time later, you look away and you go look at something else. Ideally, afterwards, after you stop looking at one of my drawings, you then go look at one of my other drawings. See, I guess that's the nice thing about having your art in like a gallery or something, or having, short of that, have a YouTube channel with a playlist, or have like a little gallery on a website. People can just flip through them, so you can stay occupied with your art. I don't know. It's good. I guess that's what everyone wants. People to look at their stuff and then to feel things or think things. And I don't know, what are they supposed to do next? What is someone supposed to do after they look at your art? They feel something, or they think something, they react somehow, and then are they supposed to go make something of their own? That'd be nice. Are they supposed to go, change the world, maybe? That sounds exciting. I don't know how to do that, of course. Are they supposed to go change their own life? Are they supposed to go change other people's lives? I don't know. What's the point? Maybe art is just supposed to be nice to look at for that one moment while you're looking at it. I don't know. At the very least, I aim for that. At the very least, I aim for it to be interesting just in that moment while you're looking at it. And then while you look away to something else, whatever it is, I don't have any control over that. But over the moments while your eyes are locked onto my drawing, that I do have some impact on, which I think is interesting. Something for your eyes to play over. But it doesn't necessarily as much as I like these little details, and I'm not saying I'm going to stop doing them. I don't think they're completely necessary. So don't get too bogged down in thinking I don't know, I want to draw like, a certain way, but I can't figure out how to sit and draw for 10 hours at a time or do all these little details. Just, get your broom out. Get your broom out and get to making things. Go make something. You'll be fine. All right. See you guys later. Goodbye. Goodbye.